To my channel. In this channel we provide in-depth knowledge of computer programming language which differentiate you with others. In our series today we are going to discuss something known as conditional operator. Conditional operator is also known as tertiary operator because it takes three operands. It is one of the control statements available in C language. As we have already discussed if, else and switch case, today we are discussing something known as conditional operator. The conditional operator, sometimes called tertiary operator, since they take three arguments. They form a kind of if then else. This is a general syntax. Expression 1, question mark, expression 2, colon, expression 3 means if expression 1 is true, means it's a non-zero value, then the value written will be expression 2, otherwise the value written will be expression 3. Let's take an example. Here we are having a small program int x comma y, scanf %i end of x. Now what is scanf here? Scanf is a predefined function which is used to scan the value from the standard input device that is known as keyboard. What we are writing, scan the value in integer format and store at this address. Then y is equal to x is greater than 5 question mark 3 colon 4. What does it means? If user enters 5, then what happen? 5 is greater than 5, condition is false, so this 4 will be assigned to y. If condition will be true, suppose user enters 6, 6 is greater than 5, condition is true, means this 3 will be assigned to y. This statement will store 3 in y if x is greater than 5, otherwise it will store 4 in y. It is working exactly same as if then else. If condition satisfy, execute this part, else execute other part. Let's take another example. Here int x comma y, scanf %i end of x, y is equal to x is greater than 65 and x is less than 90, question mark 1 colon 0. This statement will store 1 in y if condition evaluates to true, otherwise 0. Same, but here we are having two conditions instead of one. So what does it means? We can use two conditions just like in if we are using. Now let's some tips we are discussing. It is not necessary that condition operator should be used only in the arithmetic statements. Let's take an example. In x comma y, scanf %i end of x, if x is equal to 1 colon printf hello, else printf hi. If the value of x is equal to 1, it will display hello, otherwise it will display hi. Now in this conditional operator, here else part is compulsory, but as in the case of if else, else part is optional. Why else part is compulsory? Because this question mark colon is a conditional operator. Conditional operator is a tertiary operator. Tertiary operator means three operand, and as we know, we cannot change the number of operands of an operator at any cost. Here what are three operands? Here this is our first operand. Here x is equal to 1 is our first operand. This is our second operand and this is our third operand. All the three operands are compulsory. Let's take another example. Character x is equal to z, printf %c, x is greater than or equal to z, then display x, otherwise hash. तो x की वैल्यू यहाँ पे कितनी है? z is x is greater than or equal to z, condition will be satisfied. The value of x, it means z will be displays, otherwise it will display hash. Let's check this expression. Another example. A is greater than B question mark G is equal to A colon G is equal to B. As we execute this program, it will display an error L value required. This can be overcome if we can use parenthesis in the last expression. Modified version, A is greater than B question mark G equal to A, otherwise G equal to B. So what we are saying, if A is greater than B, assign the value of A in G, otherwise assign the value of B in G. Without parenthesis, compiler believes that B is being assigned to the result of the expression to the left of the second equal to. Means on the left hand side there will be a constant, and we cannot have constant on the left hand side of the operator, as we have discussed earlier. Third one, the limitation of the conditional operator is that after the question mark or after the colon, only one statement can occur, usually which is not required in the practical conditions. That is why it cannot replace if else. One more limitation in conditional operator is we can use only single statement in question mark and colon, whereas with the help of braces we can increase the number of statement in if else. Practically it is not like that, it will be only used with a single statement. That is why usually this conditional operator is not used widely as if else is used widely. I think this conditional operator is understood by everyone. If any doubt, you can ask me. With this, we stop our lecture here. If you like the contents of this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Good night and take care.